Gujarat has the longest coastline in India, almost 1600 kilometers long. Gir National Park in Gujarat is the last abode of Asiatic lions in the world. Gujarat is the world's largest producer of processed diamonds, more than 70% of the world's processed diamonds. Gujarat is home to the world's largest grassroots petroleum refinery in Jamnagar. On 1st May every year, people of Gujarat celebrate Gujarat Foundation Day. Let's learn interesting facts about this beautiful state. Welcome to Pathanti Gyan Ka Microdose. First of all, Gujarat's history and its foundation. The name Gujarat comes from Gurjars. Gujarat was ruled by Mauryas under Samrat Ashok, followed by the Sakas or Scythians. During the 900s AD, the Solanki dynasty came to power and Gujarat reached its greatest extent. After independence in 1947, parts of Gujarat except Saurashtra and Kutch became part of Bombay state. The Maha-Gujarat Conference was held in 1948 to include all Gujarati speaking people in one state. The state's Reorganization Commission in 1955 recommended that Bombay state should stay as a bilingual state with both Marathi and Gujarati languages. This caused widespread protests. Both Gujarati and Marathi people opposed this recommendation and strongly demanded separate linguistic states. On 1st May 1960, the government split Bombay state into states of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Sri Ravi Shankar Vyas or Ravi Shankar Maharaj inaugurated the Gujarat state at the Gandhi Ashram in Ahmedabad. Now about cultural, natural and religious heritage of Gujarat. Harappan sites like Lothal and Dholavira are situated in Gujarat. Garba Ras, Dandiya Ras, Bhavai, etc. are examples of Gujarat's cultural heritage. Navratri festival of Gujarat is world famous. Gujarat is home to natural heritage sites like the Gir National Park, Velavadar Blackbuck National Park, the White Run of Kutch and Ramsar sites like Nal Sarovar and Khijadia Bird Sanctuary. Gujarat is also home to architectural heritages like the Sun Temple of Modhera, Rani Ki Vav, Ahmedabad World Heritage City, Champaner and Pavagad archaeological sites, etc. Gujarat is home to religious heritages like Dwarka, Somnath, Ambaji and many more. Now about economy. Gujarat is the largest manufacturer of denim in the country and the third largest in the world. Gujarat is the top producer of cotton and groundnut and third largest producer of total oil seeds in India. Kandla, Mundra, Sikka, Magdala, Hazira and Dahej are some of the major ports in Gujarat, driving its exports and imports. Gujarat's share in the country's total exports of $421.9 billion in financial year 2022 was estimated at $126.8 billion, which is around 30% or more than 30% of total exports. Some of the great personalities from Gujarat have been Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Vikram Sarabhai, Sanjeev Kumar, Asha Parekh, Dhirubhai Ambani, Azim Premji, Ravindra Jadeja, Hardik Pandya, etc. That's all about Gujarat Foundation Day. Gujarat Sthapna Divasni apne hardik shubhecha. We hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.